Wash, in English, more than just cleaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet multifaceted word in the English language. Wash. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how this word can be used in various contexts. Let's get started. Wash primarily functions as a verb. It means to clean something using water and possibly soap or detergent. Example 1, I need to wash my hands before eating. Example 2, can you wash the dishes after dinner? But there are also figurative uses of wash as a verb. Example 3, he's trying to wash away his past mistakes, meaning trying to forget or make amends for past mistakes. Wash can also be used as a noun. As a noun, it refers to an act or process of washing. Example 4, give the car a good wash before the road trip. Another meaning of wash as a noun is the water or waves that are washed up onto a shore. Example 5, we sat by the beach, listening to the wash of the waves. English has several idiomatic phrases that incorporate the word wash. Let's explore a few. 1. Wash one's hands of something. This means to refuse further involvement with something or someone. 2. Example 6, I'm going to wash my hands of this situation because it's causing too much drama. 3. Come out in the wash. This means that a problem or mystery will eventually be solved or become clear. 4. Example 7, don't worry about the missing key. It'll come out in the wash, meaning it will be found eventually. 5. Washed up. This phrase often describes a person who was once successful or popular but is no longer. 6. Example 8. Some people say he's washed up, but I believe he'll make a comeback. And that wraps up our exploration of the word wash. Whether you're talking about cleaning, waves by the shore, or using one of the idiomatic expressions, it's a versatile word with rich meanings. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, the beauty of language is often found in the simplest of words. Happy learning!